Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Binance mobile registration process from start to finish. I'll keep the instructions slow and simple, ensuring even beginners can follow along without any trouble. Let's begin by taking a high-level look at the entire sign-up flow. To start, grab your smartphone and install the Binance app. Once the installation wraps up, launch the app to get started. On the welcome screen, hit the Sign Up button to initiate your account. You have the choice to register via your email address or a mobile number. After picking your preferred method, don't forget to tick the agreement box at the bottom. Then, click Continue to move on to the next page. A unique verification code will be sent to the contact info you just provided. Type in those digits to verify your identity and confirm your details. Next, it's time to set up a secure password for your new account. Your password needs to be a minimum of 8 characters long. Make sure it contains at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and at least one numerical digit. Once your password is set, the referral confirmation screen will pop up. At this point, please make sure to select Yes. Doing so will allow you to input a specific referral code. Go ahead and enter the code SKY333 to unlock special perks. This specific code grants you a 20% trading fee discount plus extra bonus rewards. I strongly suggest applying this code before you finish the sign-up. Now, let's move forward with KYC verification. KYC verification is essential if you want to deposit funds, trade, or withdraw money. Start the process by picking your country of citizenship from the list. Next, choose which type of ID you'd like to provide for verification. You'll notice several different options listed on the interface. Most people find using a passport to be the smoothest option. Go ahead and tap the Take Pictures option to proceed. Position your passport clearly inside the frame displayed on your screen. Once the alignment looks good, take a photo of the main information page. After the document is uploaded, you'll need to perform a facial verification. Follow the instructions on the screen very carefully. The app might ask you to nod your head slowly or blink your eyes. When you're done, your verification details will be sent off for review. Final approval typically takes roughly 1 hour. Once the review is successful, your account status will update to verified. Next, let's strengthen your account security using Google Authenticator. Navigate back to the main home screen of the Binance app. Tap on the Binance logo located in the upper left corner. Then, click the small arrow icon found in the top right section. From the Settings menu, find and select Security. Choose the Authenticator app option from the list. Hit the Enable button to begin the configuration. Verify your email or phone identity one more time if prompted. After that, the Authenticator setup screen will appear. Copy the unique 16-digit setup key shown on your screen. Now install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Open the Authenticator app once it's finished installing. Tap the plus button at the bottom right corner. Select the Enter a Setup Key option. Enter Binance in the code name. Paste that 16-digit key you copied earlier into the key field. Then, hit the Add button. A rotating 6-digit verification code will now be generated. Copy this code and jump back over to the Binance app. And then, press Next within the Binance interface. Paste the code into the Authenticator app field to finish up. Once you've done this, the Google Authenticator setup is officially complete. In this video, I've guided you through the entire Binance mobile registration workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. I'll see you soon with even more practical crypto tutorials.